Hey guys, Brian with VetteSource here, checking in today. Happy New Year to everybody. Hopefully everybody's getting off on a good start. Today what I'm going to be bringing to you is a very rare but very rough 1969 Plymouth Sport Satellite convertible with a 4-speed. And I'm thinking with AC, which is an unusual, AC was an unusual option to have on a convertible back in the day, because it wasn't really considered necessary. So as you can see, this is a sports satellite convertible. Good thing is it's very rare and a desirable kind of car. Only problem is with it is that it's very rough. This car did come out of the East Coast, so it did suffer the effects of typical Mopar sheet metal, exposed to salt and wetness and corrosion. Now this car has been inside for probably 7 or 8 years. So when my buddy acquired this car, this was the way he got it. It was rough already. So, I'm kind of mixed feelings. New Jersey 1989 is the last inspection sticker on this car. So it has been off the road for 30 years now. What can I say here, guys? It is, there you go, a sports satellite. So this is, I believe this was the up trim version. Maybe some of the Mopar guys can help me out in the comments section below, because I'm not as familiar on the Mopars. And you know what? This may not have been a AC car. They may have been trying to add AC to it, because I don't see a typical AC box over there on the firewall. Pretty sure this is a 383 engine, 4-speed car. You can see our fender tag is still intact. For those of you who like to do the decoding, again, I'm not as up to speed on my Mopar codes, but I would assume this shows M21. Is that an M or an N? That's an N21. So, something for you to look at. Of course, battery box is rusted away. There's the original radiator in this thing. Just out of curiosity, let's see how many miles this car has on it, or showing on the odometer. May have been broken. And again, the interior is as rough as the outside is. We're showing 15,000, but I'm sure that's probably 115. But man, I tell you what, look at this. It's got an AM FM heater defrost. It's got another radio they added to it. What is that? A reverse? Maybe. And then you got a power top. You got the wiper washer, flashers and lights on one side over here too. Alternator. Floorboard's gone. Oh, it's got a Hurst shifter in it. Transmission's not frozen up. 2, 3, 4. And then of course he's got the I love my sports satellite. Hell, that's worth the price of the car right there. So it's complete, guys. I don't see too many major components missing except for that lower back seat piece there. I can't get into the trunk, but whenever you can see daylight between the floor of the trunk and the quarter panels, the rot's good. And this car was originally a burgundy color. I can see it right there on that support. So I'm pretty sure that would be the original color. Yeah, like a burnt orange. Here it is on the floorboard even. So this car was not black to begin with. Again, we've got rot in the A-pillar at the hinge plate. Just a whole lot of rust, guys. I'm not going to try to lift the top up and do a little walk around for you here. I don't know. I've seen worse Mopars restored. This is a rare car, but I don't know in the world of Mopars how desirable the sports satellites are. Now, convertible, collector car world, convertibles are always worth more money. This one here, though, this is going to be a labor of love, I'll be honest with you. You're not going to come out of this, thinking you're going to make a monstrous profit on it, if that's what you're looking for. This is not a Gas Monkey garage car or anything like that. This is just if you got to have a sports satellite, it's here. But if you got to have something you need a ton of parts for, it's good too. From a parts guy's perspective, I look at this as a whole lot of good inventory to piece out. But The only reason I'm keeping it together for right now is because it is a sports satellite convertible, so I really don't want to do that to it. Motor's complete. Belts are still on it. Alternator's there. Original air cleaner. Yeah, the Mopar air cleaner. Hood's rotted out underneath. The inner aprons around the battery box. There's some holes there. But again, you know what you're getting. Oh, and look, there's your corner of your door right there. So, she ain't a cream puff anymore, guys. I'd be willing to bet that this thing looks really nice in that burnt orange color. Somebody might be able to tell me what that burnt orange color is, too. The convertible top frame is actually in surprisingly good shape. Now, again, a lot of the damage to this car was more than likely caused by salt on the roads. And I'm not sure if New Jersey uses this heavy a salt mixture like some of up in Wisconsin, Minnesota. They use horribly large amounts of salt, it seems like, on the roads. But this one, I don't know what the heck's going on there. Somebody was just probably playing with it while it was sitting. So this car is available, guys, for sale. There's your third pedal right there. Go to a new home, harvest for another convertible, or somebody can put this back together again. My name is Brian. My number is 832-654-7367. You can call me anytime. I also just got done detailing this 73 Cuda right here that is quite the opposite of this car. This thing has virtually no rust on it whatsoever, but was taken apart. Has been a Texas car pretty much its whole life. So if you're looking to see some information on that, either watch to the end of the video. I'll have a link there. You can look up, well, actually, I'll wait for the end of the video, and then you can link it. I'll put a link there at the end of the video. So again, guys, thanks for checking in, watching to the end. Let me know what you think, and we'll be back tomorrow with some more stuff. Thanks.